Hello everyone, I hope you are fine and healthy. Today I am going to share with you a review of an app which is called Think Dirty. You must be thinking what this app is all about. So for that you have to watch this complete video, and trust me, you are going to love this app. And before going any further, please subscribe my channel. Do you think your beauty and personal care products are safe? The cream that you apply on your face, the powder that you apply on your skin. There are hundreds of chemicals that are not allowed to be used in cosmetics or personal care products, but companies are still using them. Do you know about those ingredients? If not, then please do watch this complete video, as it will help you in knowing more details about these harmful ingredients and will also enable you to shop healthy and clean products for yourself and your family. Okay, so this app is available both on Android and iOS. The main features of the app are that you can learn about ingredients of different cosmetics and personal care products. You can compare products, you can get recommendations on different neat or clean products, and you can shop for the safest beauty products. Okay, so we will start from installing the app. Open your app store, search for the app, type Think Dirty, and click install. The app is successfully installed. Now let's open it. Okay, so there are three options to sign up. One is sign up using email ID, second is sign up using Facebook, and third is try it out first. In this case, you will not be able to view all the features of the app, but you can use something and decide if you want to install it or sign up really or not. Also, as you can see, they have shared the stats. That means that they have 3.7 thousand brands, 1.7 million products, and 30.8 million scans available in the app. The app has a quite huge database. I am using sign up with Facebook option. When you open the app, there is a quick app tour. I am skipping that because I already know an app somehow. So let's see what's in the app now. Okay, so this is the main screen of the app. As you can see on the top, there is a search option. You can type your product name here and search it and view its details. Then there is a scan products option. You can scan your products through its barcode. And after that, there is a categories option. Many categories in this section are locked. I think they are for premium user, but many options are available, such as sunscreen, hand sanitizer, hand wash, night cream, fragrances, baby products, men products, and many more. You can select the product and view the reviews and ratings of those products in specific categories. After that, there is a section called Trending Now. In this section, you can read different articles related to reviews, new product launch, promo codes as well. Then below that, there is a very interesting section that is called My Bathroom Shelf. In this area, you can add your products that you are already using, and the application will review them and rate them, whether they are safe for use or they are not safe for use, and things like that. And at the bottom, there is a list of products that you have recently scanned, and on the top there is a menu. From the menu, you can view your search history. Then you can view the list you have created, and I think you can manage the list as well from here. And you can see the products that you have liked recently, and there is an option called add products. This option you can use to add any product that you didn't find on the app, and you can request its review or inclusion in the app through this option. So there are many options that you can try, and I think there is a lot to discover. Okay, so let's start with searching a product. I'm going to search the ordinary caffeine solution. When we search the product, the app shows its rating. For the ordinary caffeine solution, the rating is 5, which means that product ingredients have potential moderate negative long-term health effects. So in product details screen, there are few options and tabs. In ingredients tab, there are 3 labels: dirty, half and half, and clean. If more ingredients for the products are appearing in red, it means that the product has more harmful ingredients. If more ingredients are yellow, it means that product have ingredients that are neither dirty nor clean, and they can be harmful in a long term scenario. Green colored ingredients means that the ingredients are not harmful and they can be used for a long term and or short term as well. The ordinary caffeine solution has 2 ingredients that are marked as yellow. You can check the details of these harmful and clean ingredients and can have a look on why these are marked as harmful or clean. So there is a complete detail and description on all the ingredients. And then there is a think dirty advice that you can check, and that's it.
Okay, so along with ingredients tab, there is another tab named Our Pick. In this tab, you can view the products that are suggested by the app, and these products are clean products based on your search. Then there is another option to add a review. You can add your reviews for products that you have already used, and you can rate the products, and you can add detailed description of the product as per your experience. You can also like the products, and the liked products will display in the menu. There is an option that you can see, I told you earlier, and you can add products in the list. The list few lists are pre-made, or you can create your own list as per your preferences. You can view these lists later, or you can manage this list from your menu later. Okay, so these are the main features that I just shared with you. There are other few features as well that you can try once you will install the app. Do share your feedback with me whether you like the app or not, and let me know if you want me to review any other app or any particular kind of app that you want me to review. So that's it for today, and please share your feedback and like the video as well.